परेशान क्यों है तू?
क्योंकि बहुत लंबी
मच्छर क्यों डाला हुआ है तूने?
There's maximum potential for
Your room is also the same,
yeah,
right?
for snake invasion from there.
Where are your binoculars for the safari? Where missing
हम
him?
इनसे लेंगे।
अच्छा लेंगे।
मतलब वो कह रहे हैं हमें leopard देख सकते हैं अभी ना।
Pakistan. It's shut, so we can't go. Even in the buffer area, we can't go. तुम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हो अभी guys? कहाँ जा रहे हो तुम लोग? Good morning everyone and welcome back to another video. Since it was a long weekend, we thought that we should go somewhere nearby. So me and Pallavi along with our friends are headed to Siriska. It's 180 kilometers from Delhi, so it's going to take us around 3.5 hours. This is going to be a very short series. We're going for 2 nights and 3 days. But I feel it's really nice to have like a short getaway. दो तीन महीने में एक ऐसी 2-3 दिन की ट्रिप मार लेनी चाहिए. You just get recharged, I feel. Hi Pallavi.
Hello.
Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
कहाँ जा रहे हो आप?
We are going to Sariska.
Excited?
Yes.
So let's pick everyone, meet at the meeting point, and then start our journey. Let's go. We picked up Keshav and Sakshi. Hello. Good morning, guys.
And Keshav के intro to the first time vlog.
Keshav, please introduce yourself.
क्या करना है?
Chalo, we picked up everybody. Now we'll meet Veer, Smiti, and Chadda near Okhla, and then we'll start the journey. Okay, so we took a very short break. So we're at the Mumbai Expressway. We've taken the second exit and we're stopping for some coffee and susu break. Continuously बारिश हो रही है जब से हम घर से निकले हैं. It's raining like cats and dogs. हाईवे पे भी बहुत तेज़ बारिश हो रही है. Visibility is quite low. And luckily हमें बिल्कुल ट्रैफिक नहीं मिला because I think since it's the long weekend सब लोगों ने एक दिन पहले छुट्टी लेके जिसको जहाँ जाना था सब पहुँच चुके हैं.
हाँ तो वही
इतना परेशान क्यों है तू?
क्योंकि बहुत लंबी
मच्छर क्यों डाला हुआ है तूने?
बहुत
सुसु तेरे को सुसु आया? And we finally made it. It took us approximately 4 hours to reach here. Sakshi Tomar के नाम से reservation. It was a very nice journey. Roads भी बहुत अच्छी थी. So pretty happy with that. Just entering the property. So welcome to Siriska. We've reached our property. This property is called Neem Sarai in Siriska. First impressions, it looks really beautiful. It's very green. I feel like we're in the middle of the park. Not in the middle of the park. I feel we're really close to the park because the last 10-minute drive to reach this place where I felt that we're really close to the national park. So we'll just quickly eat something because सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं है. Although we stopped at that rest area highway पे. But कुछ खाया नहीं because बहुत भीड़ थी. We grab a bite to eat. Why are you laughing, Smriti? You're also doing your room tour.
Catch you vlogging. There's maximum potential for
Your room is also the same,
yeah,
na?
for snake invasion from there. And the best part is you and Pallavi can do-
What snake?
There is maximum potential for snake invasion. उन्होंने कहीं पे boundaries ने बनाई थी दरवाजा बंद.
Hui.
Because they made it for jungle safari. Because in the morning when people have to go for jungle safari.
Tell me something about your safari cap.
It's not my safari cap. It's my cap that I was given after I had a skincare treatment in Korea. Because you took.
Where are your binoculars for the safari? Where are missing
हम
him?
इनसे लेंगे.
अच्छा लेंगे.
मतलब वो कह रहे हैं हमें leopard देख सकते हैं अभी ना. Don't make fun.
Okay. Place is giving such a quaint feeling in nature, so वो feeling आती है. बहुत ही शांति वाली.
no borders or anything, so we're quite literally in the middle of nature.
And you can hear birds chirping.
But very fancy.
And a nice fresh like green जो like बहुत ही ज़्यादा
गीली
green
मिट्टी की
नहीं
खुशबू।
गीली मिट्टी वाली नहीं है जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा greenery की smell होती है. If you've played any sport So whenever you go to a ground जिसमें natural grass होती है, वो जो smell होती है ना, that fresh green smell, that is the that is the smell of this place. पता नहीं मेरे को हर जगह जाके उस जगह की smell के बारे में बात करना अच्छा क्यों लगता है. So now we're headed to the poolside to have our lunch. And यहाँ पे गर्मी है, मतलब the sun is quite strong. अभी जब हम आ रहे थे,
it's okay.
हाँ, in the shade it's okay. अभी जब हम आ रहे थे हाईवे में क्या बारिश मिली है हमें, मतलब नॉन स्टॉप. यहाँ ये इधर है pool side. So I'm with Madhvendra here. He's the one, he owns the place. He looks after it, maintains it. So can you tell me something about this place?
So we bought this piece of land just after COVID, and in 21 we started the construction. We have 9 villas here. 5 have plunge pools in them, and 4 are private sit-outs. The land is around 6.25 bighas, and we are just about a kilometer from the national park.
And what's the best time to come here to visit the national park?
From October to March. That's
So we're
the peak
we're
season.
not in a.
This time during monsoon,
Monsoon.
the national park is shut.
It's shut, so we
It's
can't
shut.
go. Even in the buffer area, we can't go.
Buffer area you can
We can go.
but the actual safari is shut.
Okay. So buffer area में जाने के लिए do we need to make a booking in advance, or can we go directly and clear
You
it?
have to do a booking in advance.
Can we get it from this hotel, or
Yeah,
we can?
you
We
can.
can. And I think Sakshi spoke to you about a night safari also.
Night safaris aren't there.
Are they've cancelled? All right. Thank you so much for letting
Most
me about the
welcome,
property. Thank you. Guys, first impressions about the property कैसी लगी?
So spacious. Love it. In the same room.
The food was really good. Great service, great food. मजा आ गया. कैसा था वीर खाना? स्वाद. Okay report? Okay. Guys, what is the consensus अभी करना क्या है? तो सोना है. Chill करते हैं. चलो. तो खाना खाने के बाद सबको थोड़ा वो हो गया है.
We need a disco nap.
What is a disco nap?
It's a nap that you take before a party. So you are well rested for the party.
Okay.
So this is an afternoon disco nap. यहाँ से रात को आएंगे snacks.
This is the property's ad.
Snakes.
Snakes आएंगे.
भाई कितना भारी है स्मृति? Try holding it.
तो काफी भारी. यार पकड़ना.
So after having lunch, we came back to the room and we slept for an hour or so. And oh my god, क्या नींद आई है. तो एकदम जो दोपहर वाली मीठी नींद होती है ना, वैसी नींद आई एकदम. Feeling so fresh. It's around 5 o'clock right now. सब लोग उठ गए हैं. So we decided we'll go to the pool side and just relax, do nothing. So we had the pool chilling and Veer ko dare mila hai to post a selfie on his story. Go for it, Veer. Go for it. मैं क्यों आऊँ यार? Veer, no.
No, it has to be a solo. And you can't believe it. I'm posting it. Even in the morning. So what's Really? This is so unnecessary. Close it.
नहीं
Close it. Story has to be made.
डाल दे. तुम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हो अभी guys? कहाँ जा रहे हो तुम लोग?